Good morning and welcome to another episode of Gardener Gone Wild and chicken episode. Well, not really, it's an everyone episode. So good morning, Custard. It is bright and early on a Sunday morning. There's barely any traffic around. There's barely anyone walking around. And hello, Misty. Misty has been helping me as usual, cleaning out the ducklings' hutch, well, coop, and I've had Misty helping me with all the washing and cleaning all the gear, and then now I have little Miss Sugar coming to say hello. Good morning. She's missed doing all the work, haven't you? You sure have. Well, we're down here at the south facing garden, and this is sort of our wild garden. Now we have lots of mint growing. We have several different kinds of mint, and we have a peppermint pelargonium over there, which looks a bit sad for wear. We've had quite a lot of frost, so there's a bit of frost damage there, and the gardener hacked it back quite a bit because it was just overtaking everything. So we have some mints. I think that's an apple mint, and we have lemon balm over here, and we have masses of Alpine strawberries. These strawberries tend to fruit most of the year, which we're quite lucky, and in summer, oh my gosh, there is so many to eat. And unfortunately, the Alpine strawberries, even though they sound alpine-y and mountainous and cold and freezing, they actually don't like the frost too much. It won't kill them, but it stops their flowers from producing any fruit. See if I can find any. They get a black centre to them. You can see one down here. See how it has black centre on the flower? Well, that means it's had some frost damage. So we've had some quite very, 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 very icy frosts. Here's another one under the fennel. And yes, we grow fennel, just the wild fennel, because it is wonderful for the guinea pigs to eat. It's very good for them, just like giving them the mint, any type of mint, and lots of parsley. We also have some miner's lettuce growing, and that's for me. Yum, yum, yum. We also have a lot of rhubarb growing. Here's one patch, and I'll take you to the other. And here's another patch growing in our wild garden. Our wonderful rhubarb, which is growing very wild too. And here is another pelargonium growing. And you've got to have your calendula too. So that's our wild garden, which our lovely Custard likes very, very much. And the kitties like it. Don't you? Yes, you do. You like it. And there's our silver beet, which we just leave to grow. It falls over, it grows. And our lovely kales, which just keep growing, and I might have to take all those flowers off because we like to have our kale palms. And of course we have our ever-growing ducklings, the Evielings. You wouldn't believe that that water was clean a few minutes ago. Now look at the state of it. You lot are so grubby. There we go. Naughty bubbers. Hello Evie. How are you? Who's a good girl? For some reason Evie likes to drink out of buckets. Don't you? Yay Evie. And hello, Sugar. Hello again. Hi. It's mud time again. We have one sensible one. No, we don't. And this morning our second flower has opened on the geranium. Thank you for joining me this morning on a sort of overcast, very rather cloudy day. Very cloudy day actually, but hopefully this will burn off. The sun is trying to shine through. So, we do have a bit of blue sky, look at that. But whether or not the cloud will cover it, that's another thing. So, until next time, have a great morning, or evening, or midday, to wherever you are. And, yeah, have a great day. Gosh. Doing these every day, sort of, you run out of things to say. Well, not really, but you know, the endings. So have a great day. Stay wild about gardening. He's a catnip plant. And yeah, so stay wild about animals, and animals are here with you, not for you, and are definitely not for you to eat. Animals are friends, not food. So until next time, we'll say bye bye. I'm trying to follow a bee, but I'm not doing very well at it. So bye for now.